the guy.
You gonna
Oh,
jump?
he jumped. Good job. Where are the bullets? Oh, here.
Take care of you.
I saw one guy. I saw.
Kill one. They're running. They're running away. Kill one. Okay, they're out there. Out there. Nice. They're trying to run away.
I got 2 medkits now. Oh, he's by the tree. 20.
Behind the little shack. Behind the little shack. Take this guy, Yurili.
Behind the little shack. I'm gonna push to the right. Nice. Nice.
There's another one.
Have
There's one
more. Yeah. Take care.
Fuck.
The tree in the way. I can't see him.
He's moving. Nice.
Good job, Fabi.
He's in there's break. Yeah, I think he's behind it. He's in the safe.
To the left, there's people. To the
Oh, I
right.
got shot. I got shot from 140. Take care.
Oh,
Behind the
uou.
shack. To the left.
Em cima, Yuri. Aqui em cima, Yuri.
Yeah,
Aqui em
I saw
cima.
this.
Oh.
Oh, they're shooting the vehicle. Be careful. The vehicle.
Let's get a stone.
Okay, it's just over the hill, too.
Yeah, I kill him. 15.
Oh, no cover. Yeah. That ended so quick, dude. Good job, guys.
What
Dude,
the
I thought there'd be
fuck?
like 5 more people, and then all of a sudden I look, and there was the last
Yeah.
guy. That ended so quick.
Yeah, everybody killed each other. It was really open, that's why.
I only got 1 kill. What the fuck?
The stone was the only